In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your payroll in less than 10 minutes every 2 weeks. We're going to be syncing Jobber and Gusto together. Jobber is our all-in-one software management solution specifically for managing our service business. Helps us send quotes. It helps us send invoices. We do our job schedule. All of our employees track their time in Jobber. And Gusto is an HR solution that we use to run our payroll. It makes it super simple. All of our employees can connect their bank accounts. Every time we onboard a new employee, they can simply go into the app and do all of their onboarding checklist, and they can also connect their bank account so that they can get paid fast. In this video, if you stick around, I'm going to show you how to link these two up, and then you'll be able to save time on the back end. We're going to be syncing up Jobber and Gusto today. So what we need to do is go down here to apps. So in order to do this, you're going to need a Gusto account and you'll need a Jobber account. If you have not claimed your free Jobber account yet, just click the link below in the description though and get a 2-week free trial. You'll also get 6 months, 20% off. So stick around for this whole video and you are going to see how you can match up Gusto with Jobber and sync up your timesheets. The way that we do this, we're inside Jobber. This is a way to quickly save time and headache and run your payroll faster. And you're going to do this with two software tools, one called Jobber, one called Gusto. Gusto is a software that we use for our HR. Basically, this allows us to manage all of our payroll and all of our employee benefits. And it gives us really cool reports that we can look at and we can see, hey, how much have we paid contractors? How much have we been paying people? How much have we paid each employee? It easily keeps track of 1099s for contractors. It automatically sends those out at the year end. It also keeps track of W-2s and send those to our employees. Great tool. But a way to leverage this even further is to connect Jobber and Gusto. And we keep track of all of our field crew members' hours in Jobber, and Gusto is how we actually pay them. So we're going to connect the app and then we're going to manage. We're going to do sync settings. We're going to do timesheet hours and reimbursable expenses. All right. And then you're basically going to see all of your team members here. And as long as you've created them inside Gusto and inside Jobber, you can easily link them up. All right. So these team members are already matched. Now, quick note, you can only match up hourly employees. So anybody who's tracking hours in their field crew app, the hours will automatically sync over to Gusto whenever you run a sync at the end of the payroll cycle. And this eliminates you from having to go in one by one and get the hours from each people. It's still a very quick way to do it, but it saves you some manual addition and whatnot. The other thing I was going to say is if you have a salaried employee, like here's our sales rep right here, he's salaried plus commission. You cannot sync up that stuff with Gusto from Jobber. And there's really no need to, because in Gusto, you're just going to input their salary. And then I have a commission tracker sheet. After we close out a job and we get paid on that invoice, I just go grab the commission he made and then I add that to his payroll every 2 weeks. So that's how you sync up Jobber and Gusto. If you have any questions about this, we have a free school community for OWNR OPS. You can go to school.com/OWNR-OPS. That's school, SKOOL.com/OWNR OPS. I'll include that link down here below. I post how-to and helpful business videos just like this. I'm a software nerd, so I tend to get really deep into building the systems associated with small businesses. And I really do believe that this is something that can help small service-based business owners go to the next level. Because look, we've all seen that person and we've even all been there where you're running around like a chicken with your head cut off, trying to take calls, trying to run the excavator, trying to mow the grass, whatever you're trying to do, while you're still trying to service the customers, while somebody's calling you on the other line, asking for their invoice, and you don't have a team in place, you don't have a system in place. My goal is to help small business owners, especially in the services and trades, particularly in that 0 to 1 million phase, just systematize and build SOPs to make their lives easier. Okay. I started my business 3 years ago, and now I am building the systems and I'm helping my team get better at what they do by putting systems in place. And so I want to help you do the same. Go check out our school community. It's free. Like I said, the link is in the description here below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget, work hard, do your best, never settle for less.